Okay, guys, in Forex, trading the trend is one of the best strategy to make lots of money while trading any of the Forex assets. Okay, and I'm going to prove this to you right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this platform, and I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp using this number. It will also be there in the description box below this video. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, let's see the powerful how powerful a trend trading activities is whenever we are trading the any of these assets. Okay, so for instance, if the market is on uptrend or going on uptrend, then it should start from the support zone. Okay, a major support zone. You can see it right here. Right here is a major support zone. When this downtrend got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, and of course it started an uptrend right from there, and it bought till this particular region. So which means if the market is on uptrend, then you should buy at that point, most especially if it is coming from a major support zone. Right here is a major support zone. This indicator gave us a trend signal that the market is going on uptrend. You can see it changed from this red color to this yellow color. Okay, so it shows that the market is going on uptrend. Okay, that's the first thing, and it is coming from a major support zone. It was unable to break out from there. That is the second thing, and of course these two things shows that this is going to be an uptrend, and it is a trend we should follow. So because it is an uptrend, then we should follow the buy signal. So you can see it gave us the buy signal at this point. You can imagine if you had come in at this spot, okay, where it gave us the buy signal. Check out the amount of profit you would have made, because you would have closed your trade when it got to this resistance zone. This is 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine the amount of profit you would have made from here. And when it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there. It tried to sell, but later on went back to try out this resistance zone again, because if it's able to break out from this resistance zone, it will continue with the uptrend. But since it's unable to break out above it, it started a downtrend. Again, you can see it, guys. It started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal, and it is coming from a resistance zone. Okay, a major resistance zone, guys, and of course this gave us a long selling opportunity. Check it out. It sold right from the resistance zone till this very end. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so that is why when you have a trading tool, a good trading tool that will show you the trend of the market, the entry points and the exit point, then you will always be in profit all the time. Okay, so that is the advantage most people are getting from these particular trading tools. Okay, so guys, if you are having the trading tool, you can try out this strategy right from your end and see how profitable it is. But if you are not having, you can also reach out to me to know how you can have access to it. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.